Want to fix the "your transaction cannot be completed" error in Google Play Store? This error can happen for different reasons, like problems with your payment method, Google account settings, or temporary glitches in the Play Store. It stops you from making purchases. Don't worry, here's a simple way to solve this issue quickly and easily. But before starting, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Solution 1. Check payment method details. Open Google Play Store. Tap your profile icon. Go to Payments and Subscriptions. Tap Payment Methods. Tap More Payment Settings at the bottom. Sign into your Google account if prompted. Ensure card numbers, expiration dates, CVC codes, and billing addresses are correct and up to date. Check for verification requests. Sometimes, Google requires you to verify your identity or payment method. Look for any notifications or requests in Google Pay and complete them. Try using a different method if you have one, or add a new one. Solution 2. Clear Google Play Store cache and data. Open your phone settings, scroll down and tap on Apps or Apps and Notifications. Find and tap on the Google Play Store. Tap on Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Storage or Clear Data and confirm. Additional tip: contact your bank or Google support. If you've tried everything above and the error persists, it's time to get external help. There might be a security hold on your card, insufficient funds, or a specific restriction preventing the transaction. Call them, explain the error, and ask if they blocked the purchase. If it's not your bank, then it might be an issue with your Google account or payment profile that only Google can fix. Visit the Google Play Help Center and look for options to contact their support team via chat or email. That's all you need to do. Trying any of these steps should fix the "your transaction cannot be completed" error in Google Play Store. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.